If you're any type of business trying to get more leads online, this video is for you. If you're not following up over 24 times on 3 different channels in the first month, you're gonna miss out on so many leads. They don't care about you, they don't like you, they completely forget about you. In this video, I'm gonna share my screen and show you exactly how to retarget every single one of your visitors until they say yes and pay you instead of your competitors. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks, and I've been doing this marketing for over 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. You can always learn more here. I'm gonna break it down, show you exactly how one of our businesses does 100,000 a month with 90,000 in profit, all by retargeting. They don't have to spend more on ads, they spend less on ads and get better results. And if you wanna get through this lesson and learn quickly, you can bump this speed up to 1.5. So I talk really fast, but you bring it and you learn it, and I hope that you actually take it and implement this. So here's the full system that we recommend using. It looks like a lot. What you wanna do is either have somebody on your team set it up, a freelancer do it for you, or you can hire an agency to do this for you. You can see that they're making about 126,000 a month with 99,000 in profit with a 5.39 ROAS. Now, if you're new to business world and advertising world, a ROAS is a return on ad spend. We normally see anything over 3 is good. Now I'm going to jump right into our blueprint that we recommend here, where your traffic sources should be coming from and exactly what these ads should look like. And if you want this full system where I break it down into 3 steps so you can actually implement for yourself, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. And it'd be awesome if you subscribe to this channel if it brings you any value. Let's dive back in. All right, so what we want to look for is where your ideal customers are. They call it the ICP. Where exactly are they hanging out? We call this the top of funnel. This is where we're going to bring somebody that's never heard of you before into your ecosystem and start doing retargeting. From there, what we want to do is get them on some sort of email list. We recommend a high converting landing page. If you grab that system, you're going to see an example of how that landing page looks that converts 17% more visitors to leads. What does that mean? When somebody comes in from your Facebook page, sees your Facebook ad here, what we want them to do is hit the landing page, fill it out, or we want them to follow your social media channel so we can start retargeting them on these other channels. Same thing for Instagram, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and TikTok, right? We want them to see you over and over. And that's where the system comes in. Where are they going to find you? What are they going to sign up for? And how are you going to follow up? Now, the average customer doesn't trust you yet. So that's why we really need to implement these 24 touch points on 3 channels. When I talk about 3 different channels, I talk about one would be email, one would be YouTube, one would be Facebook. That's 3 good channels there. All right, so your ideal customers, are they coming from X? For me, my ideal customers are actually on X and they're on YouTube. So you might be watching this YouTube video now. I'm providing value. I'm providing helpful content. You don't have to go click or buy or do anything. I'm just teaching you something. But now you're going to start getting into my pixels. YouTube's going to know you watch this video, so they're going to show you another video. If you come from X, they know that you're going to see my Twitter ad right here. And if you like it, if you comment on it, or hopefully if you follow my page, the pixel will know to retarget you and start showing you more X ads. That's super important for you to remember. Where is your ideal customer hanging out? Let's bring them into your ecosystem. And then what we need to do is start retargeting them. All right, so I wanted to show you real quick exactly what our landing page looks like. And this is one of the highest converting landing pages we've ever used. We make these for people all the time. We set these up and it's to enable you to get more conversions. So if you're spending all this money on ads, what we need to do is actually get those people to fill out a form so you can build a relationship. So as soon as somebody downloads my system, I'm going to build a relationship through email, and it's also going to pixel them on my retargeting ads. And that's what you want to do. They're going to come to your landing page. You're going to pixel them. You're going to send some automated emails. And then what you want to do is follow up with retargeting ads right here. Now, what's another thing you want to do? One thing that I teach all of our clients is we want to try to keep your customers on platform with ads. So what I mean by that, when you go and look at an ad, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down here, fill out this form, and try to get them to go to the website. Wrong. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all of these platforms, they don't want you making their users leave their platform to go to your platform. So what we want to do is get them to follow you the first time they hear about you. First time they see me on Instagram, I want them to go to my Instagram page. They can follow me, and then they can start seeing my organic Instagram videos and my Instagram ads. Same thing for X. I want them to see my post. I want to provide value, and I want them to go to my profile and follow me. LinkedIn the same way. I don't want them to click. Pinterest the same way. TikTok the same way. I want them to see my ad, want to follow me, so I can start building that relationship. Now, what about you're saying, I want leads, I need customers. That comes after the fact. They know where to look. They go look at the link in the bio. When they're ready to buy, when they do trust you, when they do like you, that's when they'll go to the link in the bio and fill out a form on your landing page or book a call. So that's why these retargeting ads are super important. So when we go to this sales funnel, what we're doing is we're bringing people into the profile, and then from there, we're sending automated emails when they sign up for the landing page. Then we're going to set up those retargeting ads, email, eventually to getting on the newsletter. And that's when you can actually scale. And if they can see all these emails and all these ads and your organic posts in the first 30 days, that's how you're going to get results like this and actually be able to scale. All right, so from there, what type of ads do you want to do? So if they follow your profile here, this is the next step. So we want them to start seeing your organic post, and then we want them to start seeing ads, and organic posts should be of value, helpful content to try to get them to engage and build a better relationship with you. So when they're ready to buy, they don't have to go click anything. They know where to click. They know where to click the link in the bio, click on the link in the website, or just if you're retargeting them, click on the link in the retargeting. So what I would recommend is setting up a Facebook ad that looks like this, something of value. You're teaching them, you're educating, you're helping them. Same thing on Instagram. I'm telling them about reviews, how to get more reviews. And if you want to learn more, leave a comment. Now, if they leave a comment, Instagram and Facebook and all these platforms, they know that they engaged. So now I can set up a retargeting ad knowing that they saw my ad. And if I'm doing just engagement ads and follower ads, I'm going to be paying pennies per click instead of dollars per click. Same thing for X. Follow me, leave a comment, and we'll go from there. Now, one thing that's a little different is Google. Google and YouTube ads work really well, but for Google ads, we want to set up just a search term, and this is really a good spot to do top of funnel. So when somebody's specifically looking to do retargeting ads or an advertising agency, I know that they're interested, they want this service, they're actually searching for it. So I'll set up a Google ad based on the search term, get them to the website, and then once they go there, they're going to go and see the rest. So if we go from Google or YouTube, we want to direct them directly to your landing page. From there, the pixels and the emails should do the rest. So I hope this video brought you a ton of value, and I really want you to start thinking about how you can retarget, follow up, and build better relationships with your leads. That's all I focus on, and that's where I see the most value. You need a really cool looking website. You need a high converting landing page of something of high value that you're going to give them in order to get their email. Why would they fill out the form? They need to fill out the form to get something of high value that you're going to be able to provide them a solution with. From there, set up automated emails. We recommend using something like Go High Level that has landing pages and automated emails to always follow up with your leads. And then from there, make sure you have pixels and retargeting ads set up so that they start seeing your ads on every platform. And it doesn't stop there. You need to focus on quality of these ads. You want to make sure you're doing helpful, educational, high value videos and images. Hire a photographer, hire someone to make your professional videos, hire an editor. You don't need a lot. You don't need hundreds. You just need about 1 to 3 really good videos and really good images that really stand out, that are on brand, and that provide value, education, and help to your ideal customers. From there, start dialing it in. Start getting those top of funnel ads. Start driving new people to your channels, but don't stop doing your organic videos because that's when all the ads will die off. You need good organic. You need helpful content, you need retargeting ads, and then you can truly scale. Now, if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about this retargeting and remarketing stuff, check out this playlist right here. I've got a ton of videos that can help you every step of the way. And if you need any help, make sure you reach out to our team. We have this all bundled up so you can just copy and paste it and use it right away for your brand. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.